In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a record in GoDaddy. We'll walk through the exact clicks to update an existing A record, and I'll explain what each field means so you know you're changing the right thing. An A record maps a host name, like your root domain or a subdomain, to an IPv4 address. This is what makes your domain point to the correct server. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. Type GoDaddy and open the official GoDaddy website. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your account name to open the menu. From there, choose My Products. This takes you to a page listing everything you own under this account. Find the domain you want to work on and select it. You'll see options related to that domain. Click DNS to open the DNS management page. This is where all your DNS records live. Take a moment to scan the list so you know what's already configured. You're looking for the A record you want to change. The name column shows the host, and the value column shows the IPv4 address it currently points to. When you've located the correct A record, click the pencil icon to edit it. You'll see fields for name, value, and TTL. In the name field, you can set the host you want this record to represent. The root of your domain is usually shown as the @ symbol. If you're pointing a subdomain, enter just the host, like blog or app, not the full domain. Next, update the value field. This must be a valid IPv4 address from your hosting or server provider, formatted as 4 numbers separated by dots. Be sure to copy it exactly, without extra spaces or characters, since a typo here will send traffic to the wrong place. Then, adjust the TTL, or time to live. TTL controls how long DNS resolvers cache this record before checking for updates. A lower TTL, like 30 minutes or 1 hour, helps changes propagate faster, which is useful during migrations. For long-term stability, a moderate TTL reduces unnecessary DNS lookups. When everything looks correct, click Save. GoDaddy will apply the update. DNS changes don't take effect instantly everywhere. Propagation can take some time depending on caches and the TTL you set. If your site doesn't switch immediately, that's normal. Give it a little while, and then test by visiting your domain or using a DNS checker. And that's it. You've successfully updated an A record in GoDaddy with confidence and clarity.